Dominic, come here. Can you clean up? Dominic. Hey. Hey. What's your name?
Dominic.
How old are you?
6.
What color are your eyes?
Brown.
What color is your hair?
Brown.
What school do you go to?
I'll punt.
Where do you live? Try again. Where do you live? Colorado. What's your daddy's name?
One.
What's your mommy's name?
Joy.
How old are you?
6.
What's this? Dominic, look. What's that?
2. Mom. 2. 2.
Say bye-bye. Bye.